In this video, we will learn how to change chart type in Microsoft Word document. So let's start. Open your Word document. Here you can see I already insert the column chart. Now I'm going to change this chart type. Just right click on the chart and here see the change chart types option. Just click on it to change chart type. Here the one dialog box is open. You can see the all chart is available here. You can select it and you can change it easily. I select here the pie chart and click on the pie chart and click on the OK. The chart is changed in pie chart. So this is a way you can change the chart type in Word. The second way, just select your chart and go to the chart design tab. When you add the chart in your Word document, the chart design tab is automatically added here. And go to the type group to change chart type. Just click on it. Same dialog box open here. Now if you want to change the chart type, select it. So I select here the bar chart now. Select those you want and click on OK to change chart type. Now I convert this pie chart to bar chart. So this is a way you can change the chart type in Microsoft Word document. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.